Hello to all employers in Hong Kong. I am Irene Valencia Perez, 41 years old, single mom of two children, ages 21 years old girl and 19 years old boy. I had an experience work abroad from Kuwait, Dubai, Malaysia, and over 6 years work experience in Hong Kong. And I've been work for 4 years in one employer only. My main duties are to take good care of 2 years old boy and newborn baby boy. And other duties are washing, laundry, ironing, cleaning, cooking, and marketing. And I've been work for 2 years with my second employer. My main duties are took good care of 4 years old boy, and other duties are cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, marketing. And my third employer is I am terminated. Reason, she said I'm not suitable. But I'm still confident my skills and knowledge as a nanny and as a worker, because I know I am a hard worker, loving, caring, and trustworthy. Even you can trust your kids with me because I will love them as my own. To all dearest employer, I am so glad when you choose me. I will promise to you I will do my very best, and I will guarantee to you I will do my obligation and responsibilities. Sir and ma'am, thank you so much. Have a great day and God bless. Thank you.